Penny, I share your story. Stretching wings. You bet, Benny. What's the plan? Excited. The peanut tree. That's a nutty idea, Benny. Chattering. Nut tree. Go straight, then take a left at the acorn pile. Confused. Benny, I think the squirrel gave us the wrong directions. Croaking. Looking for the peanut tree. Are you? Chuckles. Well, hop on my lily pad, and I'll take you there. Cheerful. Hooray. Let's have a nutty feast. Benny, I share your story. Benny perches on a branch outside the tree, preening his feathers, while Sally pops out of the tree hole. Benny, fluffing feathers. Morning, Sally. Ready to take on the world today. Benny, winking. How about we find the legendary peanut tree today? Benny and Sally embark on their journey, encountering various forest creatures. Benny, to a squirrel. Excuse me, have you seen the peanut tree? Chattering. Nut tree. Go straight, then take a left at the acorn pile. Benny, shrugging. Well, let's ask Mr. Froggy to help. Benny and Sally approach a wise-looking frog sitting by the pond. Benny, nodding. Yep, we heard it's the nuttiest tree around. Benny, amazed. There it is, Sally. The peanut tree.